Hi guys, Jim here. Today's video is not really a how-to, it's more just showing you what the fuel sensor clip recall 16P15 is on the Mondeo Focus and Kuga engine tdci's. It's a safety recall Ford have issued due to the clips coming loose on these engines and then leaking the fuel out everywhere, which isn't ideal. So some Ford Bright Spark decided to fix this by putting two clips on, which is essentially what the recall is. This video will show you exactly what we do when we do the recall. First up, as you can see, is the picture slideshow. If you skip forward ahead a little bit, you will see the video of me doing it. And like I said, it is a safety recall, so there's no point you buying the clips and doing it yourself. That's why I'm not calling it a how-to. It is free for the dealer to do, so if you do get the letter, make sure you go and get it done. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like if you liked it. Stick around for some more videos in the future. Until then, take care. Peace.